on Facebook. All these tunnels.
And go around, go on top. See, I don't remember that. Do a loopy loop.
A loopy loopa. Like you're on a damn roller coaster.
Yep. Now that's just like out Sturgis. Custer Park.
Yeah, those rocks with the water going down through is
Yeah.
pretty huge rocks.
Yeah. I probably drink that water straight out of the...
Clean looking.
Drive with caution. Road work ahead. Somebody needs to turn the heat up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Had the air conditioner on too low like you did last night.
I had it up high last night. Pretty down there.
Yeah.
That reminded me of, where was we at?
New Hampshire.
Vermont.
Vermont.
How that was down through.
Yeah. That's we were up in the mountains there too.
Yeah.
I was thinking about that the other day because I like to ride that Route 6 up there to halfway in between New York and Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
I'll have to figure out some weekend to do that. If you don't have birthday parties or graduation parties, and everybody's there.
Yeah. Packed.
Autumn Cave, that's why.
Trailhead.
I see, like I said before, I always come down here around April. Maybe that's why there are not a lot of people down here.
Yeah.
We are into June.
We're almost into July, babe.
Yeah.
It's everybody's vacation times.
I said into June.
So, if you don't like crowds, this time of the year is not a good time for you. It was really busy last night. It was Sunday. Today's Monday is a little different. We're coming up to a holiday weekend. Next weekend's 4th of July weekend, or this weekend actually, I'm sorry.
By the time you see this video, it's probably going to be Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
If somebody would stay home and put videos up, get them done.
Get her done.
Somebody's always out riding somewhere.
If you haven't done this yet, You need to put this on your bucket list. This Tennessee is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, I need to say Eastern Tennessee.
Okay, you say it.
Eastern Tennessee, close to Kentucky, Virginia, North Carolina area. Tennessee's a long state. It goes west to Missouri and that.
And again, we are from Ohio. Somebody asked me yesterday what my opinion of Ohio is. It's not a bad place. It's pretty. Roger and I just like a little bit warmer temps to ride more. A little bit longer summers. Our bucket list is to live in Ohio during the winter and move somewhere else for backwards, dummy. Live in Ohio in the winter or in the summer. Here I go again.
Yeah.
And move somewhere warm for the winter. Jesus, that was hard to get that out.
Yeah.
Because our winters are cold.
And they last forever.
Yes.
We can have cold from November clear to March, April.
This year was terrible. It was clear till, what, almost May.
May, yeah.
God, winter was never going to end. Roger rides all year round. I'm a wimp. I only ride when it's warm out.
Put a little plug in for hot wire, heated the gear. I got a pair this year, and I'll tell you, if you ride when it's cold, you'll never ride without it. Really makes a difference. There's a lady rider.
Yeah.
I wonder for North Carolina. Well, I like to have a cigarette.
You would.
Yeah. A tunnel again.
Tunnel.
I don't remember these tunnels, man.
You must have been sleeping.
Must have been. Overlook?
Yeah. Those overlooks give me the heebie-jeebies.
Do they?
Oh, yeah. Because that
Yeah.
one is too close to the edge.
Here's the overlook I was talking about.
Yeah.
We stopped here last time I was down in here. It just shows the mountainside. You, I,
You what?
I think you can camp out up here.
Really?
Yeah. 20 miles to Cherokee. There's the dome, 7 miles out. And 7 miles back. But you said you didn't want to do that.
What is that?
It's just going out. It's the high. Oh, shit, my battery just went out. My camera just went dead. Hopefully yours is still going.
Yeah.
It's the highest point of the mountain in this area. That's all it is, just like kind of like Pikes Peak area.
Yeah.
I gotta let my camera charge up a little bit so I can turn it back on. Look at that view there. Okay, I'm back.
What?
I'm back.
Back what?
The video's back on.
Okay.
The power pack must have shut off the last stop. So I had to charge it and turn it back on.
Okay.
Didn't miss too much.
Nope.
And if you did, you can check it out on the GoPro Open Roads or on Brenda. Brenda's new channel.
that I haven't made yet. And somebody says they didn't want to be in charge of another one, so.
I got enough to keep me busy as it is. You want to do it, you do it.
I don't know.
I ain't going to stop you from doing it. I'll help you out, but don't expect me to put them all up there for you all the time. That's why I kind of made my channel the Roger and Brenda channel.
Yeah, I probably won't. I'll get bored with it and not put anything on it, so.
You get bored? No way.
Man, they're flying.
Yep.
Wow, that's pretty.
Yeah. That's what I kept trying to tell you. If we had some time, I'd like to take you up to Knoxville. Down by the river and all that up there. We used to say we were going to retire down there.